our HC12V132G gas generator set, based on a Weichai Duets engine, features a V12 engine at 1500 RPM with a 500 kilowatt output. It supports a broad fuel range and lean burn technology for efficient and responsive power generation. Increase the load by 60% at one time. Equipped with an advanced adaptive closed-loop control system, it maintains consistent performance with an automatic oil replenishment feature for stability. The modular design fits 6 units per container, optimizing gas control for various fuel requirements. Improves the electrical efficiency of partial load conditions, improves the stability of partial load conditions, and has a wider fuel adaptation range, and the product can better meet the special gas adaptation requirements.